Do you think they have ice cream here? It's like office. We're looking at ice cream kasi nga napakainit yung weather. Oh, dito is like a restaurant. Ano yan dito? Massage therapy, Hotel Plaza. This one is Robin's Golden. Maganda naman dito. Yan, ganyan. Super init. Guys, super init po dito, guys. Grabing init. Mamamatay ka sa init dito. Pero buti na lang, compare mo doon sa city is may hangin dito. Doon wala, grabe, parang hindi ka makahinga. Yan. So, aakit kami sa bundok. Goat feeders, antiques. What is this window? Gatagiti ang init, guys. Super init. Look at the mountain over there. Looks like what is this? Guys, that's a Iranian church. Let's go to church. Huh? Where? No snake in here. Papa Gunors. Bakery there, maybe Pete's Coffee, bakeries, donuts, croissant. There. Nalab. Here better, no? Kasi there is fresh air. But there in the city, see, look, this is the Philippines. Hot. The weather here is like Philippines. There is a fresh air. How about over there? Oh, Villaggio. Arizona. So here it's Arizona. Yeah, Arizona. Yeah. By the way, pupunta po kami doon. Doon sa tuktok ng bukid. That's so cute. Ang sweet naman ito. Ayan. Let's go back. Why, you don't wanna go inside? Boulder Dam Hotel. So we're going here, the Boulder Dam Hotel.